Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video guys, I am going to discuss all about the resistors and its color coding. But before that, let me introduce myself first. So I am James Heros Avidra. I'm 30 years old, a BSED major in science student here at University of Bohol. So let's start our discussion about the resistors and its color coding. So the first digit is color brown, then the second digit is color black, the multiplier is color orange, then the tolerance is silver. So that would be all. Thank you.